Next up, clean house for White Lotus. For this, we need to unlock and clear the Vondel Aquarium, the City Hall, and finally the cruise terminal all in one deployment. Just a quick note, you will need the Aquarium key, the City Hall key, and the cruise terminal key in order to finish this mission. You can buy them while you're in game. Usually the buy stations will have one of the keys and you'll have to travel around between them, or of course you can collect them over time and bring all three in at one go. That's what I did here. All you need to do then is simply travel from area to area, clearing out these places completely. I started with City Hall here. What you need to do is enter the City Hall or wherever you're going, get every enemy in the location, and as soon as you're done, you'll receive a pop-up telling you, hey, you've successfully unlocked and cleared one of the areas. All you need to do is rinse and repeat for all three areas, and when you're done, that should be the mission complete. So anyways, that's it for Clean House. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.